Welcome to the Traveling Pogma YouTube channel. This video will highlight the beautiful Oyster Bay Beach Resort in St Maarten in the Caribbean. It is located on the east coast, on the Dutch side of the island, just south of the French border. It's about a 45-minute drive from Princess Juliana International Airport. That code is SXM. It is an EP hotel, which means no meals are included in your room rate. It's a lovely 4-star family-friendly resort. It is built on an 8-acre peninsula on a coral reef overlooking the Atlantic Ocean on one side and Oyster Pond Marina on the other. They have 182 rooms. 12 of them are just hotel rooms, 73 are studios, 73 are one-bedroom suites, and 24 are two-bedroom suites. This video will show you a studio and a one-bedroom suite. All of their rooms have a king-size bed, a patio or balcony, air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TV, either a fully equipped kitchenette or a full kitchen.
So this is what we would say is our studio unit right now. Of course, this is one of our oceanfront units. What we did is, because we have a lot of families coming here, we try to make it as homey as possible. So all of our studio units have a small kitchen, so they're all with kitchenettes. All have a full refrigerator as well. Now this one, again, because like I said, it's built more spacious, so you have a bathtub and stuff. The others, you would have just a walk-in shower. Okay, so this has a little more space.
Still everything you want in the kitchen.
Correct. It's just everything in smaller portions. Yeah, this would be the bedroom area, and again, all of our studios, we have a dining table for two because we cater for two persons. Again, because this one is a little more spacious, we were able to fit a sofa bed in here. So, but we don't ever advertise that as part of the sleeping capacity.
Now, is this the room type I was originally supposed to get?
No, you're pretty much a run of the house, so it could have been a hotel room, which the hotel room is just a king bed. You do have a small microwave, a coffee pot, and your shower, of course, and your balcony, but there's no kitchen area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And as you can see, the amazing view, the island out there is St Bart's.
This one's St. Bart's here.
Yes,
Okay.
right there.
Very close.
We joke about it on a clear day, you can see the ladies in their bikinis. Yeah. Now, most of our units on the property are built with the lock-off feature, as you can see in your unit as well. The room next door to you, you would have seen that there's a door that we can open. So if families want to do a two-bedroom, this would be considered a two-bedroom. You have both sides.
Oh, okay. And you call that a lock-off unit?
Correct. So on the other side would be the bigger unit, which is the one-bedroom suites.
Very nice.
Which is what you're in, considered a one-bedroom suite. You have your full kitchen, full dining area, living area, balcony. This particular unit, because we're on the fourth floor, we do have a few of these. It's called our penthouse unit. The layout is still the same, but the difference in here, you have a washer dryer and you have a rooftop living area.
I see the stairs going up.
If you don't mind going up, you can definitely go take a look.
I'd love to. So all the 4th floor units have a rooftop?
Correct, but we don't have many of those. We only have 4 of them.
Oh, and a little barbecue area?
Yes.
This is lovely.
So this would be the summer kitchen.
Wow.
Yeah, but this has very limited availability throughout the year. Very.
So how many people can fit between the one bedroom and the other?
A total in this particular unit, 8.
8. Okay.
Yes. So if you should rent a 2-bedroom penthouse, this is what you would get, 8 persons.
Oh, hot tub. Oh, I didn't see the hot tub. Wow.
Yes.
8
So
person?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Is it a hot tub or just a whirlpool?
It's just a whirlpool, but I don't think it heats up too much. Not all the way.
It's pretty warm.
Oh, it's very warm.
The view is amazing.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
And everything just connects right back to the kitchen.
this is the washer.
Washer and dryer. It's 2-in-1.
Oh, it's the
Yeah.
the combo one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So these would be considered our oceanfront suites. Yeah. So what you're seeing here is actually we're doing some interior renovations right now, where we're changing out the furnitures, putting in some new stuff. Yeah, so it's an ongoing thing, you know. We wanted to make like a major change within the units.
There are 2 restaurants at this resort. The video shown here is from the Infinity Restaurant that is overlooking this infinity pool. The salad, the mushroom risotto, and the braised short ribs were delicious.
Tonight is the Caribbean buffet at the Infinity. It's a really your only choice because the other restaurant's not open until tomorrow.
It's not open on Thursdays.
Right. Rice and peas, mixed vegetables, plantain, barbecue chicken, ribs, shrimp creole, mahi-mahi.
So this is our second restaurant on the property. It's called the Veranda, but it's also a market. So it's like
this is where the market is. Okay.
So you pretty much have a little bit of everything that you need to be here.
Okay.
But some people like to do the major shopping, so they would head out to the bigger supermarkets, of course. And it's also the access to our beach area. So here's our beach. Our guests have free chairs and umbrellas all day long.
Okay.
Beautiful crystal blue water.
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
Amazing.
How's the seaweed, the sargassum? Is that an issue?
We've been having quite a few good months, which we're grateful for.
Yes.
But like everything else, we're expecting it soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're crossing fingers that it will not come, but
Yeah.
we have to be real about
And
it.
then do you rake it every day? Try to.
Yes, we do, but sometimes it's unmanageable
Yeah.
stuff.
Are there any
How are
months
you,
that
darling?
are worse than others?
Usually the summertime.
So June, July, August.
Yep.
And
So
then more
Veranda, we
people-
try to do a lot of like entertainment during the nights, you know, 'cause it's very nice sitting here hearing the ocean. We can go inside to the market.
Yes, we had live entertainment yesterday at the pool area.
Oh, yes.
On top. Did you have it here too?
Yeah,
Oh, both places?
we do different times.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Hi, how are you, UB? Good. Hello, how are you? Good. So they have pretty much everything you're looking for while you're on vacation.
Okay.
If you're the type that likes to cook in your room, they have all the options as well.
And we noticed the barbecue grill. Is that for like the whole unit?
For the building, yep.
One grill?
Mhm,
Okay. Do a lot of people use it?
Yeah.
You gonna cook dinner?
Yeah, they do.
I don't know.
And here you can also order your fresh pastries, have them picked up early in the morning at 7 a.m. We have the spa, a souvenir shop, and a guest laundry for those who don't have the laundry in their room like you do.
Yes. This is the Shipwreck gift and souvenir shop. For those units that do not have a washer and dryer in them, there are washers and dryers available here for $2 each wash and $2 each dryer. Hi, come on in. Welcome to our one bedroom at the Oyster Bay Beach Resort in St Maarten. We have a lovely kitchen, full refrigerator with a freezer, good size. We have ice. We've already did a little bit of grocery shopping. But this is my favorite. We have our own washer and dryer in our own suite. Very convenient. Love that. Full stove, microwave, a ton of supplies. We've got glasses and utensils, knives, a cutting board, Tupperware. We've got a coffee, toaster, blender, cleaning supplies, the dishwasher even. Yeah, so nicely stocked kitchen. We have a mosquito repellent candle. Hopefully we won't need that. And then we have a nice dining area. We have 2 mini splits, so we have one here, one in the bedroom. We do have a connecting door, but we are not using that, so. And there's currently no one in there. And then we have our couch. I don't think it's a pull-out couch. I think it's just a regular, oh, it is a pull-out couch. Pull-out couch, okay. These 2 coffee tables pull out. You needed that. This has a cute little shelf here. And then I'll show you our balcony, but we'll have to add a video from daytime. But good sized little balcony, beautiful view of the marina here, and an inlet. And we do have a door to our bedroom. Comes out on the balcony. And we do have a TV, a flat screen TV here in the living area. And we'll walk down here. We've got our bedroom here on the right. We have a little closet with plenty of hangers, an extra beach towel, pillow, some blankets, ironing board, and the safe are inside there. And then we each have a towel, nice king bed. We each have our own nightstands. Only problem, there's no USB ports anywhere, and there are outlets. There's no outlet here, it's way behind the headboard of the bed. There's an outlet behind that nightstand. There's an outlet behind here, so another TV. But plenty of storage, lots of big drawers here, which is nice. And it does have one luggage rack that we're using. And a nice window here for view, but I'd go out on the balcony for that anyways. And the bathroom is this way. 2 doors to that, one from the bedroom, one from the hallway. But nice bathroom. 2 sinks, lots of counter space. Oh, that one doesn't open. Good storage. Extra toilet paper, Kleenexes, hair dryer, mirror. This is cute. You don't see this very often. A little toothbrush stand. And your soap dish. They give us some soap, shampoo, body wash, conditioner, because that is not in the tub here. And we have a bidet again. And yeah, nice. I like it. Plenty of room, plenty of storage. And this here is just a maintenance closet that I believe should probably be locked. When we got here, our room had a low battery on it, so maintenance had to come fix that. And then the maintenance guy came in and our room is not cleaned. So they quickly came and cleaned it, and we're very apologetic, but they probably just forgot to lock that. But we're all good now.
Now the door works.
And now the door works, the room is clean. We're good.
We're located right across from the main lobby and one of the restaurants. So very convenient when we check in. We are on the 3rd floor and there's no elevators. But
yes, but the
gentleman did bring our luggage up.
Young gentleman, nice strong guy, came and left our luggage up the stairs, yes. But good location, but parking is pretty tight. We had a hard time getting in and out. Like, seems like everybody's got a car here. So we are parked down at the end, but that's fine. We did find a spot. But so far we like it. This orange building is the reception area. You'll find the front desk there, a tour desk, a car rental desk. There's a board that has all the daily activities on it. You'll find other informational signs in this particular area. A lot of activity going on here. We found this hot tub to be a great way to end most of the days, but It often had quite a few people in it, so it seemed to be very popular, but it's in a beautiful area next to the infinity pool. And the pools and hot tub are open 24/7. This bar was also a very popular area for people to hang out. And next to that is an open courtyard that has rooms above it. And we did talk to someone who was staying there that said it can be loud, but this is also a nice area to hang out in. This is the entrance to the marina, but it is gated and locked. They also offer charters to Anguilla, St. Bart's, and around St. Maarten.
Yeah, we also do have some private condos. So these are the Marina condos right here, privately owned. The lighthouse condos right here, these are privately owned as well. This was our last building that went up on the property. This was actually constructed in 2009. We opened in 2010. So of course it's more modernized. There's the elevator, it's more spacious and all of that.
This beach is called Dawn Beach, and it is right outside of the Veranda Restaurant here at Oyster Bay. And it has a beautiful sandy bottom. It has small waves. It has super comfy lounge chairs. We did enjoy this beach a lot. We do have a few pros and cons about this resort. First, the pros. We felt the beds were very comfortable. We loved the beach, loved the pool, loved the hot tub. The two restaurants had great food. We thought the market's prices were very reasonable. Our bellman Nelson was very helpful. The room does have Wi-Fi, and felt the rooms were pretty quiet. We felt very safe walking around. The location was good. It has very good amenities. A few cons. The parking was a little tricky. The spots are pretty small, so if you have a larger car, it might be a little bit harder to park it. And we felt there needed to be more parking. Our room did not have any USB ports, but I know as they upgrade the rooms, they're looking to put that in there. Our building did not have an elevator. The Mainsail building is the only one right now that has elevators, but we had no trouble getting a bellman whenever we needed one. And the water pressure was not great in our room, but overall, we really did enjoy the room. It was very nice. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and take a look at our Caribbean and St. Maarten playlists. Now get out and explore the world.